welcome back to my channel. My name is Val and I am a sewing enthusiast. So today I have a new addition to my wardrobe, and is a basic staple piece for any woman that works or does business. You should definitely have one of these in your wardrobe. And drum roll, plaid skirt. So I decided to make this because of another YouTuber, Erin. She was doing a styling video, 10 ways how to style a plaid skirt. And what I realized is that I have material that looks very similar to the skirt that she has. And two, I actually have a new look pattern that actually looks like the same, it looks like the same skirt. And it was like, hello, it's like it was a no-brainer. Like, so took me an hour to make the skirt. It's a very simple pattern to make. 1 hour, you're done. And it doesn't even have a zip, so that's why it's so quick and easy. So it's beginner friendly, so anybody who's still learning to sew can make the skirt. Now, oh, I have a styling video on 11 ways to style this plaid skirt. I'll put the link above, and then you can check it out and let me know what you think about my styling options. And I'll put the link above, and you let me know what do you think about my styling options for the plaid skirt. And I also have another video where I actually made a jacket out of the same material for the skirt. It actually looks beautiful together, even though it's like not the same pattern. And yeah, you can wear it together or separate and they still look gorgeous. Now, if you want to see how I made the skirt, keep on watching. If not, please do like and subscribe below, and comment and let me know what you think. Oh, I almost forgot. So my skirt has pockets. Whenever I'm sewing, I tend to forget to put pockets. I get too overexcited about sewing and seeing how it is gonna look. So I'd cut out the pockets, and then I'd actually sew the dress, and even overlock the sides. And then I'll look and I'll realize, oh gosh, I forgot to put the pockets. Like, oh, that's because when I sew, I generally don't, I kind of just follow my own, thing. I don't look at patterns. I tend to just get creative with, patterns, and, do my own thing. But anyway, let's get started with the sewing tutorial.